Okay. So after long introduction of the basic of chemistry, now we are going to move the most important part, and that is nothing but the lesson number one. Okay, in lesson number one, we are going to talk about the basic concept of chemistry. Lesson number one is nothing but the basic concept of chemistry. Okay, so here with the name of God, you can start lesson number one, basic concepts of chemistry. Okay, dear students, in this lesson, we are going to talk lots of things, and in these lots of things means what? What we can gain from the chemistry. Actually, what is the basic word? If we understand the terminology first, then we can go more and more. Okay? So in the terminology of basic means very simple thing, the base thing, the initial step where you will go nicely, then only you are able to reach a certain palace. કોઈ પણ એક પેલેસ બનાવવા માટે નીચેનો બેઝ જે છે એ મજબૂત રહેવો જોઈએ. And if you are doing this, then so that is the base concepts. Dear students, every time we used to speak that your concept should be nice, your concept should be must be clear. The concept is nothing but about the subject. Actually, what things are going to deal by subject. एक subject कई कई वस्तु ऊपर deal करते. If you know that dealing of the subject, how subject is going to work, if you know that, then only you are able to do lots of things. So here, let's come to enter the world of chemistry by means of lots of things. Okay, so first we will go with the statement. One statement was given by Roald Hoffman. Okay, so that Roald Hoffman statement that we are going to first study. According to Hoffman, chemistry is not only merely study of the 114 atoms. Actually, in book it should be written 100, but we know that more than 100 elements, that is 114 elements today we are knowing. So chemistry is not only the study of the merely 140 atoms, but it is also study the development of these atoms into the molecules. The development of these atoms into the molecules. So this statement is very important. So here in book it is written like this. According to the Ronald Hoffman, chemistry is not only the science of 100 elements, but diversity of infinite varieties of the molecules which are prepared from them. So diversity, the word is used here, diversity. So dear students, if we go with this word, then first we have to differentiate the terminology atoms and molecules. If you know the difference between atom and molecules, then only you are able to perform nicely, because atom is the very small part. Okay, atom is the very tiny part. It is actually, it means it is indivisible. Atomio means indivisible. A divisible નથી, further divisible નહીં થાય, એટલે એને atom કહેવાય. While molecule can be divisible. Okay, so atom is nothing but the last part of the substance. It is indivisible one, indivisible, or the last part of the substance, while molecule is divisible. Rather I will say, okay, when atoms are combining, for example, we are taking oxygen. Oxygens are combining and converting into O2. So this is nothing but the atom. Alone oxygen is known as atom, but O2 is known as molecule. So this is the basic difference between atom and molecule. So atom is single. Only hydrogen is atom. But when hydrogen combines with chlorine, it converts into molecules. Cl is only the atom, but HCl is molecules. So this is the main part of the chemistry that in basic system you can understand about the atom and molecules. So atom can combine to give the molecule. Okay, so hope that you understand the difference between the atom and molecule. But this is not only the study. How this atom can be converted into the molecule? What is the relation between the atom and molecule? What is the quantity that matter should have? Okay, that all we are going to study in this world. So this is nothing but the matters. These are nothing but the matter, and matter can solid, liquid, gas. So in this case, we are going to talk about the properties of the substance in further more. Okay, and these properties we are going to study about two parts. I will divide its two properties into two parts. Come on, let's check out. The first part is known as physical properties. First part is known as physical properties. And dear students, in physical properties, you are going to study the states of the matter. States of the matter. For example, hydrogen atom, gaseous form. Hydrogen molecule is also in gaseous form. But Fe atom, Fe atom is solid. FeO atom molecule is also solid. So such thing we are going to study into the chemistry. Okay, why states is there? This is the physical part of the atom. You are also going to its study about its odor. What is the smell? Its taste. How is the taste? You are going to study about its color. Okay, you are going to study about its boiling point and freezing point. Okay, so whether it is striking, producing sound or not on striking, this all we can study. That is nothing but the physical chemistry. And in physical chemistry, dear students, you are going to study this. That means physical properties of the matter. Similarly, you are going to talk about the chemical properties of the matter. In chemical properties, you are going to study this. What? So, whether it will combine with hydrogen, whether it can react with oxygen, whether it can react with water, whether it can react with acid, whether it can react with metals or non-metals. Okay, so this thing when you are going to study, then might be your experience in standard. You have studied about the any molecules or compound, and you have studied the reaction of that compound with oxygen, reaction of that compound with water, reaction of that compound with acid. So some particular thing, particular format we are going to study, and this is nothing but the chemistry. So in chemistry, we are going to talk about this kind of physical quantity, this kind of the chemical quantity, the relation, the matter, and moreover, the most important thing is nothing but the species of the matter or atom. And this is the most important topic, that species. Onward, you have to remember this word, species. So many times the word is going to come. This hydrogen atom is one species. Hydrogen molecule is another species. Hydrogen ion, okay, this is another species. HCl, the compound, this is the another species. Okay, see, these all things are known as species of an material or matter or an atom. Only hydrogen atom has given as an atom one species, as a molecule one species, as an ion one species, as a compound another species. So જ્યારે કોઈ એક જ એલિમેન્ટ લઈશું અને એ એલિમેન્ટ નવી નવી કઈ બીજી જાતિ બનાવી શકે છે, that is known as species. So remember, the species is going to come in biology. Species soil. Then here also we are understanding that hydrogen atom one species, hydrogen molecule another species, hydrogen as an ion another species. So this species also we are going to study, that is going to convert in the chemistry. Okay, so hope that you understand the statement produced by Hoffman as well as the what is the basic concepts of the chemistry. In basic concepts of the chemistry, we are going to deal with this. Dear students, remember this thing. Until we didn't get any importance of anything, we are not able to conceive that thing very nicely. Okay, so that's why here I'm going to give you the most important part of the lesson, and the heading is importance of study of chemistry. Study of chemistry. Okay. See, in our life, we are dealing with lots of material in the nature. Okay, we have in starting, we were talking that કે જ્યાં જ્યાં નજર મારી ઠરે યાદી ભરી ત્યાં chemistry ની. You will see everything is related with the science. Okay, we have three kind of science in study. Actually, there are more kind of science. We can say in science it is chemistry, it is physics, it is biology, it is geology. Okay, lots of science are there. Out of you will deal very importantly with the chemistry. Okay, when I will talk, everything will be converting into the chemistry only. In chemistry, we are going to talking about the organic chemistry, inorganic chemistry, physical chemistry, biochemistry, analytical chemistry, industrial chemistry, lots of things we are going to study. And that's why to study the chemistry is very, very important. And nowadays, it become very easy to gain the principle of the study from the reference books or from the interlinking of so many things, we can find out the chemistry. Actually, in chemistry, then we will find out some natural compounds, natural material. For example, wood is naturally occurs our material which is coming in chemistry. If we talk about the computer, then computer is nothing but the artificially part of the life, and that is nothing but the gain of the chemistry. Okay, so every day we are coming with the some chemicals, some thinking out, or some our food material, that is also chemistry. So we experience various chemical phenomena in our life, that is nothing but the chemistry. Okay, if we are talking about weather patterns, so today's first topic I am going to deal with is nothing but the weather patterns. પહેલો point આપણો શું સમજવાનો છે? Weather patterns. See, this is the talk of nature. આ કોનો talk છે? મેં તમને કીધું nature, natural, artificial. તો પહેલા આપણને કોને જોવા જઈ રહ્યા છે? Nature. Weather patterns. Okay, just these days we were dealing with the lots of storm and rain. You know that. Okay, now why it was? So initially it was thinking that it is talk of physics, but nowadays it is come out that the weather, how the weather is going to convert is nothing but the deal of chemistry. કોઈ જગ્યા ઉપર વરસાદ નહીં થતો તો ક્લાઉડ ની અંદર AgBr નાખો, સિલ્વર બ્રોમાઇડ નાખો તો ક્લાઉડ માંથી વરસાદ પડશે. It is nothing but the deal of chemistry. So climate can be changed out. Okay, ઘરમાં બહુ ગરમી છે એસી વાપરો. This is the deal of chemistry. કે એ કુલિંગ કેવી રીતે કરશે? That is the talk of chemistry. So weather patterns, the natural change is nothing but the dealing of chemistry. Okay. Second one, I will write that interesting functioning of brain. Functioning of brain. Now you admire, sir, brain ના function માં તો chemistry ક્યાંથી આવશે? But હું તો એમાં join કરી research chemistry. Brain. ચલો, some questions are there. તમારામાંથી કોઈને ગુસ્સો બહુ આવતો હશે, become very angry in short tempered, આપણે એને કહીએ. Okay. Some are very emotions. જે કઈ કહેશો એટલે રડી પડશે. Some are mental case, ખાલી હસ્યા જ કરશે. Okay, some are fearless, while some are very feared. Now, why this is with the person different because we are all human? Then why this is happening? So, come on. अगर एक brain નો sonograph લેવામાં આવે, and while a person is very angry, you will find red color chemical is inserted into the brain. તો રેડ કલર નું એક કેમિકલ છે જે બ્રેનમાં ઇન્સર્ટ થાય છે ત્યારે આપણને ગુસ્સો આવે છે. સમ કેમિકલ્સ, ગ્રીન કલર નું એક કેમિકલ છે, when it's inserted into the brain, we start to become emotion, we start to cry. See, you know about tear gas, you know about laughing gas, you all know this. These are nothing but the merely chemistry, and chemical is working there as everything. So in our body, if we talk about the body, then also there is a chemistry in body. Okay, so in weather patterns the chemistry is there, that is the nature. Okay, in for functioning of our brain, it is nothing but the we can understand the computer. Okay, operation of computer. If we talk about operation of computer, what do you think? Whether chemistry is there? એટલે કોમ્પ્યુટર તો શું છે? It is nothing but artificial. આ natural છે, આ artificial છે. So whether there is artificial માં chemistry હોઈ શકે, operation of computer. Okay. Here how? When a data is entered. Suppose કે તમે 20 લખ્યું. તો આ ડેટા લઈને કોણ ઇલેક્ટ્રિક કરંટ જશે, ઇલેક્ટ્રિક કરંટ જશે અને ત્યારે એના ડાયોડ ટ્રાયોડ ને લાઇટ કરશે. This function is done in second 1 lakh time, 2 lakh times. It is on off only. જે અંદર ડાયોડ્સ છે એને ઓન ઓફ કરશે. Now diodes are made up of semiconductors like silicon, gallium, indium, silicon, gallium, germanium, like arsenic. These are nothing but the chemistry. So in artificial world, so we have, if we keep ourselves in center, body, we have natural surrounding our thing, ours, and we have artificial things surrounding us. Everywhere you will find the chemistry, and that's why the chemistry is very important. Dear, we have already talked, chemistry is not only these natural or artificial. If we talk about the industries, then all chemical industries are based on the chemical. If we go for the manufacturing of fertilizer, if you talk about alkalis, if you talk about acid, if you talk about soap, detergent, salt, polymers, alloys, dyes, drugs, and other any inorganic or organic material, all are dealing in chemistry only. So everywhere, all the contributions in this world is deal of chemistry. So hope that the concept, natural concept, is weather pattern dealing by chemistry. Body concept, functioning of brain is dealt by chemistry. Artificial concepts, operation of computer is dealt by chemistry. So chemistry is dealing everywhere and its uses, its partners are there, and then all are chemistry. Okay, dear students, not only this, chemistry is increasing the comfort of life of human. For example, બહુ ગરમી લાગે છે, જુઓ અડધું ભીનાઈ ગયું છે, અડધું થઈ ગયું છે, પંખો બંધ કરો, આ બંધ કરો, કેમ? તમને દેખાય નહીં, બારી ખુલ્લી હોય તો દેખાય નહીં, પંખો ચાલુ હોય તો આ હાલે, બટ એસી ચાલુ હોય તો that is the comfort, that is the comfort. ચલો બહુ તરસ લાગે છે, બહુ વીવિંગ થાય છે, ફ્રીજનું પાણી પીધું, that is the comfort. So comfort of life, human life is increased by the chemistry. You know about fertilizer? હવે ફર્ટિલાઇઝર તો ગ્રીન રિવોલ્યુશન કરી નાખ્યું, આખા વર્લ્ડ ની અંદર પહેલા ભૂખ્યા રહેતા હતા લોકો. Now everyone are well satisfied. Okay, તમે જોશો બધાના સ્ટમક. So that is also deal of the chemistry. Also, this small material can be converted into large scale. Physics તો નાનું અમથું બનાવીને આપી દેશે, but chemistry will convert it into the large scale by making the systematic develop. Okay, so we have artificial, we have natural, and sometimes we will get semi fertilizer also, semi synthetic material also. આપણા કપડા, અમુક કપડા છે, કોટન ક્લોથ છે, these are semi synthetic. જે પેજીસ છે, બરાબર, પેપર્સ છે, these are also semi synthetic. So this material also there. So synthetic compound, semi synthetic compound, they all is dealing of chemistry. Not only this, the human body is like a machine, and a machine ની અંદર તો disturbance આવે. Okay, the disturbance in our body are known as disease, and lots of disease are cured by the chemistry. Drugs, દવા શું છે? Is nothing but the chemistry, and that you are taking. Paracetamol chemistry થી બને, NS chemistry થી બને, phenyl chemistry થી બને, alcohol chemistry થી બને. Okay, so everything is nothing but made by the chemistry. So chemistry in pharmaceutical field also very important. Yes, though in human life the cancer is believed to be a person is cancer. કેન્સર થાય એટલે પર્સન કેન્સર થઈ ગયો, એવું પાસ્ટમાં બિલીવ કરતા હતા, બટ કેમિસ્ટ્રીએ ચમત્કાર કર્યો. And chemistry has developed the medicine with the name of cisplatin. કયા નામથી ડેવલપ કરી? cisplatinના નામથી જે મેડિસિન ડેવલપ કરી. It is very effective on the cancer. Not only cisplatin, okay, Taxol, બીજી દવા છે Taxol. This is also very effective on the cancer. So dear students, now today cancer become curable. એક જમાનો હતો કેન્સર એટલે કેન્સર કહેતા હતા. Now a cancer is very curable disease, cisplatin and Taxol નો યુઝ કરીને. So this is our life is changing with the chemistry. Okay, so hope that you understand the point of the chemistry, what it's deal with, what it giving you in our life. Okay, this is the important of chemistry. So until this, what we have studied, have you any doubt? Okay, here one information is not given in English medium thing. So that is nothing but we have medicine for AIDS also. Okay, the medicine name is AZT. Medicine નું નામ છે, short form છે AZT, but its full form is azithromycin. You know, so full form છે azithromycin. So if you don't have this information, you should write beside this. And nowadays we have developed the medicine for AIDS, and for that AIDS, the medicine is nothing but the azithromycin. So azithromycin is also the known as AZT, and it is the famous medicine for the AIDS. So dear students, this is our thing to understand. The chemistry is very vital, is giving very thing in our life, and that you can understand finally about the chemistry. Hope that you are understanding this, the importance of chemistry in our life. Okay, in what way it is giving us the better and better life, easy life, and lots of things to work on. Okay, so dear students, now here in your book might be some less information given, so we have to go with the more important things. Okay, તો ચાલો આપણે કેટલીક બીજી અમુક બાબતો છે તે તમારા બુકમાં નથી આપેલી, that I am going to discuss. Okay, so this part of the lesson will be very important. Actually, in past, the magnetic properties of substance, magnetic properties of the substance is believed to be deal of physics. But nowadays, we know the magnetic property of substance is not a deal of physics, but it is deal of chemistry. In your mind, question will be there. How, sir? I will explain that. So you don't worry. In the back of the time, electric properties of the substance is to be believed with the deal of physics. And today also in next year, 12th standard, you are going to study electric and magnetic properties of the substance in physics in detail. આખા ત્રણ પર જ છે તમારું 12મું ધોરણ ફિઝિક્સમાં magnetic properties, electric properties and optical properties. Now what do you mean by optical? અહીંયા વર્ડ જ નહીં ખબર હોય તો આગળ આપણે ડિસ્કસ ના કરી શકીએ. How many of you know about the optical? If you don't know, no problem. I'm going to explain you about the optical properties. So optical is nothing but the properties which is dealing with the light. જે property light સાથે dealing કરે છે એને optical properties કહે છે. So now question arises, which properties of the light? Okay, so કોઈ substance આપણને દેખાય ક્યારે, કોઈ substance ના અંદર color કેમ દેખાય? These all properties are known as optical properties. Now proof is required when we are studying science. The first and optimistic part is the proof. Why I am telling that magnetic properties is not study of physics, but it is study of the chemistry. So in chemistry, when we will start the lesson number 2, in lesson number 2, you are going to study about the structure of atom. In structure of atom, you are going to study about the how in substance the structure is. Okay, structure is related. Okay, so that is nothing but the arrangement, proper arrangement of the electron. Electron ની one direction માં arrangement થશે, બધા જ electron ની એક જ direction માં. Then this will contain the magnetic property. So dear students, magnetic properties is nothing but the deal of chemistry now, because the arrangement you are going to study in 12th standard. First lesson જ છે અલ્વા. Okay, when electricity, if we talk about, there are only free electron. जो free electron હોય તો જ electricity pass થાય. અગર free electron ના હોય તો electricity develop થતી નથી. Okay, so this is nothing but yes, it is written optical fibers, no problem. I can understand that. What was the suggestion? So optical fibers, that we are going to talk about also. Okay, but first I am talking about optical properties. Transparency is also yes, correct. Transparency is nothing but the optical properties of the substance. Okay, good. So free electrons are there, then only electron can be transferred, and electron can be transferred is nothing but the electric property. See, everything it was thinking that thinking that okay, by this was dealing of the physics. Now today we are converting everything into the chemistry. Okay, optical fibers, optical activities. In optical activities, if we talk about a certain range of the wavelength, certain wavelength ના જે રેસ છે એ રેસ ઓબ્જેક્ટ પર પડે છે, એબ્ઝોર્બ થઈ જાય છે, બાકીના રેસ રિફ્લેક્ટ થાય છે, જે રિફ્લેક્ટ થાય છે એના જે વેવલેન્થ છે, according to that we are able to see the color. So now whether absorption phenomenon or resorption phenomenon, everything is dealing in chemistry, not in physics, dear students. So nowadays the entire phenomenon is changed and chemistry is being more and more and more important for you. Dear, I will talk about the optical fibers, and this is interesting part. In our body cavity, if we want to see something, are we able to see? No, we are not able. Body cavity is very dark. કોઈ પણ આપણને વસ્તુ ક્યારે દેખાય? ઓપ્ટિકલ એવું કહે છે કે જ્યારે એના ઉપર લાઇટ પડે, રિફ્લેક્ટ થાય, આપણા આંખમાં એન્ટર થાય તો જ આપણે એને જોઈ શકીએ. Now our body part is entirely closed. No light is going inside. So એ બોડી પાર્ટમાં આપણે જોઈ શકતા નથી. So here we are doing, if you know about, somebody of you know about the endoscopy. એન્ડોસ્કોપી ની અંદર શું મોકલાવે? અંદર કેમેરા મોકલાવે. ચલો કેમેરા અંદર મોકલાવ્યો, પણ લાઇટ વગર કેમેરો શું થાય? તો તમારામાંથી કોઈ કહે સર આપણે નાનો બલ્બ મોકલાવવાનો અંદર ઇલેક્ટ્રિસિટી સાથે. અરે બલ્બ મોકલાવવાના બલ્બની જે છેલ્લી ફિલામેન્ટ છે ત્યાં તો કરંટ જાય અને કરંટ અંદર લાગ્યો એટલે હે પતી ગયું વાર્તા. So that is not a good idea. So what is idea? So what is idea is nothing but the optical fibers. Okay, I am drawing the figure of the optical fiber. See, optical fiber હોઈ શકે, not always straight, વાગું ચૂકું પણ હોય. આ optical fibers ની અંદર નાના નાના અહીંયા મિરર ગોઠવેલા હોય બધા આવા small mirror હોય fibers ના. Okay, now અહીંયા એક લાઈટ અહીંયા ગઈ, રિફ્લેક્ટ થઈ, રિફ્લેક્ટ અહીંયા રિફ્લેક્ટ, બધે રિફ્લેક્ટ થતી થતી છેલ્લે લાઈટ અહીંયા આવી જશે. Simple, light પહોંચી ગઈ ત્યાં without any electric current. This is the greatness of chemistry. So optical fiber, that is nothing but the deal of chemistry. So initially what was considered as the physics, nowadays we are consider them thing as a, so any properties like magnetic properties, if we talk electric properties, if we talk optical properties, everything is dealing in chemistry. But in Gujarati there is a very nice say, જે પોસ્તુ તે મારતું, જે પોસ્તુ તે મારતું, એ એવો ક્રમ દિશે કુદરતી. So in nature it is dealing, nature જ આપણને જીવાડે છે અને એક દિવસ nature જ આપણને મારશે. So chemistry is giving us lots of good things, then chemistry also being sometimes dangerous. And which kind of dangerous thing done by the chemistry, that we are going to study. So dear students, insecticides, you know the insecticides which are developed is nothing but the dekhatu nathi. Okay, I'm writing big, but it is nothing but I'm writing insecticide. So insecticides is nothing but the make of the chemistry, but sometimes it become very dangerous to human also, some animal also. We are using petroleum. We are using petroleum, and dear students, this petroleum is converting methane gas, carbon monoxide gas, carbon dioxide gas, and this is the cry of the chemistry, that due to the carbon dioxide gas, the global warming is at the grow, and that is the bad thing of the chemistry. Not only this thing in refrigeration. In refrigeration, we are using CFC. The full form of CFC is nothing but the chlorofluorocarbons. So chlorofluorocarbons. Now this is very hazardous to our ozone layer. The presence of CFC is removing the ozone, reacting with the ozone and converting them into the oxygen. This is beneficial, but ozone layer is more beneficial to us because it obstructs the ultraviolet rays of the sun, which are very dangerous to us. So chemistry is responsible for the global warming. Chemistry is responsible for the ozone layer depletion. So chemistry is doing good, but at a time, chemistry is dealing this bad thing also. Insecticide has put some species in danger. Carbon dioxide had made the carbon dioxide and methane gas both has made the global warming. So we are going to dealing this thing very nicely. Okay, these hazardous portion of the chemistry, how can we remove in future? જ્યાં hazardous material છે chemistry નું, that આપણે ફ્યુચરમાં કેવી રીતે દૂર કરી શકીએ? આ આપણો bad part છે, dark part છે. How we can convert this dark part into smart part or the bright part or the lighter part. These will be done by the people like you. We are coming, who are progressing themselves in chemistry, who are just do lots of things in chemistry, and they will remove the darkness of the chemistry, and then chemistry will be the very important. So dear students, I hope that these important parts of the chemistry that you have gained, you have studied the concept of chemistry, you have studied the importance of chemistry, you have studied the danger portion of the chemistry, hazardous portion part of the chemistry. And now we are ending here with this topic. And so now what will be the important thing now? The important thing is nothing but the questions answer. So come on, let's study.